Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a chick. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a circle, nice and big on your paper. After you make your circle, we are going to make some features for the face on the circle, and these are going to be the features of our chick. So let's make some wide set eyes. Those are just going to be some ovals. Inside the oval, you're going to put a smaller circle at the very top and then fill in the bottom with your marker or your pencil or whatever you're drawing with. Let's put a little bit of feathers at the top. And then for his mouth, we're going to make a shape that looks like this. It's kind of tricky, so you might want to practice it. It comes up and then it comes back down like that. It almost looks like he's smiling. Now we close that up with a very wide letter U. And then underneath we make one more wide letter U. And that's going to be our chick's mouth. All right, now we're going to go down to his body. And we're just going to make a shape that looks like this. It's almost like a U, but it's a lot more rounded. And inside that, we're going to add a little bit of detail. Almost looks like an upside down letter C. Let's add a few little wings. So we come down and then we come back up. And this one I think I'd like to stick out a little bit more. So I come out 1, 2, 3, and then I go back in. For his feet, we're just going to make some lines coming down and then some toes, which are some straight lines. All right, let's make a background. So for my background, I think I just want him to be out in a meadow. So I made a line that is not going to go through his body. If you decide to make your line up a little bit, you would jump over his body and continue your line on the other side. I think I'd like to make some flowers. So I'm just going to make some daisies like this. Maybe a leaf. And then maybe I'll make another small flower over here. A leaf. Maybe a little bit of grass. It's completely up to you as to what you'd like to make. I think what I'd like to do now is I'd like to put a few clouds in the sky. Some people like to put a sun. Some people like to make birds flying. It's up to you. This is your artwork, so you get to do what you want to do. Put one more cloud up here, small one. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye.